made around $15,000 with YouTube no cap, and I'm gonna show you guys how I did that without any bullshit. Today I will prove to you that you don't need an expensive course or a YouTube guru to become a successful content creator. If I can do this, you can do this too. I'm gonna show you a step-by-step process to create a YouTube channel in the motivation niche.
Yo, Kaz, I think motivation niche is saturated. Is it actually worth it to create a channel in the motivation niche now?
Yeah, you are right, it is saturated, but you don't have to worry about it. We are not going to make typical motivation videos. This is going to be a whole new process, so just leave it to me and see the results. Finding video ideas. This part is very important. We need to find interesting topic ideas. For that, we need to do some deep research on YouTube and find out topics that are already working. Find several channels that are doing well in this niche and make a list of video ideas. When making that list, make sure not to copy the exact video title. As an example, the title of this video is Grow Rich by Disappearing for 33 Days. Instead of using this title, you can use Just Disappear and Come Back Stronger. I think you understand what I'm trying to do here. These topics should put some energy and curiosity in their mind. You can even use ChatGPT for this. Just go to ChatGPT and use this prompt. As you can see here, we have 20 video ideas. These video ideas are not typical motivation videos. All of these are unique and uplifting. So just like this, do your research first and create a list of video ideas. Creating the script. This is the most important part of this video, so follow these steps exactly. For this example video, I'm going to create a video about this topic, which is mastering the mind. We can use ChatGPT to create a video script for this topic. But if we want to create a next level video, it's not going to be enough. What I would recommend to you is, first, find several videos related to this topic that are already getting a lot of views. Then, you need to watch those and note down the hooks and key points that they have used to get the viewer's attention. Then, you need to apply those to your script. So, let's create a script using ChatGPT. I have created this specific prompt for that. You can get this prompt in the comment section. As I mentioned earlier, we are not going to use this exact script. I'm going to get this idea and change it to my own script. So, I have found several videos about this specific topic. I watched those and created a unique script. I want to say that I know this process is not easy, but those who are not going to give up will become successful. Take your time and create the script. Generating voiceovers. Now, we need to create voiceovers for this script. There are a lot of text-speech AI tools available. For this example, I'm going to use 11 Labs. When selecting the voice for your videos, use the same voice for all videos on your channel. Therefore, you need to select a good voice for it. Especially this voice should be inspiring. Go to the voices and select Voice Library. Select Narrate and Story or Social Media. Then this AI will show you suitable voices for this. Check all the voices and select a perfect voice from these. After that, all you need to do is copy the script you created and generate the voiceovers. The next step is creating the visuals. When creating the visuals, we cannot just use raw stock footage. We need to add animations and motion graphics to this video along with stock footage. But I know that a lot of you guys are not professional editors to make motion graphics or animations. I have found a website that can make this process easier for you. It's called Auto AE. They have pre-made motion graphics. You can simply customize those according to your videos. As you can see here, these motion graphics are really amazing. I'm going to use a few of these in my video. First, let's check which are suitable for our video. In my video script in the first 15 seconds, there is a part called Ready to Become Unstoppable. So I'm going to use this template for that. I think it's suitable for that part. Let's customize it. Click this template and click this Customize option. Now, all you need to do is type the text here, and you can preview it like this. I think it would be good if all the letters were capital. Let's change this. Now it's perfect. Then click this download button to download this clip. And I'm going to use this template to make the key points of the video. Just like we did before, you can customize it as well. So, just like this, create several motion graphic templates using this website and use it on your video. It will increase the quality of your video, and most importantly, it will increase the viewer's engagement, attention, and watch time. This tool is very cost-friendly. You don't have to spend hundreds of dollars for it. So, I would highly recommend you guys to use this tool if you cannot make such motion graphics by yourself. Now, we need to find relevant stock videos for this. I'm going to use pexels.com for this. You can download copyright-free videos from this website, and you can use those for your videos. You will not face any issues when it comes to monetization. So download relevant video clips for your video. This website is free. Then, we need to download some background music for this. Remember, the background music is going to play a big role in these videos. Therefore, you need to download several background music clips. You can use pixabay.com or YouTube Library for it. I personally like to use YouTube Library. After you download those, we have all the materials to edit the final video. Final video editing. For this process, I'm going to use CapCut. It's a free video editor. You can easily download it for free. CapCut is really easy to use. That's why I love it. Start a new project in CapCut. This is going to be a long video. Therefore, click this Modify button and select 16:9 ratio. Then, click this Import button and import all the materials we downloaded. After that, you need to drag the voiceover to the timeline like this. Then, you need to add the suitable footage and images on top of it in the correct order and make sure that these clips match the video script. So just like this, add all the videos to the timeline. And make sure to add the motion graphics and animations we created to the correct places as well. Now, go to transitions. There are a lot of transitions available here. But make sure to add a smooth transition in between all the clips. Don't add fancy transitions. It's not suitable for this niche. After you add all the transitions, go to this adjustment option from the top menu and drag this custom adjustment layer to the timeline like this. You can expand this layer to cover the whole sequence like this. Then, if you go to this side menu, you can edit the colors of this video. By using these colored bars, you can edit the color tone of the video. And using these options, you can basically change anything. You can darker the video and make it more vintage looking. And if you go to this curves option, you can control the overall brightness of the video. So, play with these and make your video more attractive and engaging. After that, we need to add captions for this video. Go to text from this top menu, select Auto Captions, and click this Generate button. Within several seconds, this will automatically generate the captions for your video. Now, we need to edit these captions to stand out more. Let's make all the letters capital, and we need to add an elegant font for this. I think this font would be suitable for this. Then, if you go to these effects, there are hundreds of effects here. You can add a suitable effect from these. Now, select all the captions and go to Animations, and select this caption option. You can add a good caption animation from here. And now you need to delete the caption parts where the motion graphics are appearing. Then all you need to do is add the background music to the timeline and adjust its volume to match the voiceover. With that, the editing process is completed. Now let's watch the video.
Are you tired of being average? Sick of watching others surpass you while you remain stuck in mediocrity? It's time to stop whining and start winning. The only thing holding you back is you. Ready to become unstoppable? Let's dive in. Get comfortable with being uncomfortable. Growth doesn't happen in your comfort zone. Push yourself to do what scares you, what challenges you, what makes you doubt your capabilities. The pain of discipline is nothing compared to the pain of regret. Face your fears head on and crush them. Develop relentless self-discipline. Stop waiting for motivation to strike. It's unreliable and fleeting. Instead, cultivate discipline. Set clear, non-negotiable goals and stick to them. No excuses, no procrastination. Your mind is a muscle, and self-discipline is the workout it desperately needs. Master the art of ruthless prioritization. Your time is your most valuable asset. Don't waste it on trivialities.
This is absolutely perfect. So, guys, follow this exact method and you can create high-quality videos for this niche. If you have any questions, just drop a comment. I will see you guys in the next video.